The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is generating significant buzz ahead of its anticipated launch in mid-2025. Leaked information suggests that the device will feature a sleek design with a flat-screen display, moving away from the curved edges seen in previous models. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample space for users. The camera setup is rumored to include a 50MP primary sensor, complemented by additional ultra-wide and macro lenses, aiming to deliver versatile photography options. Battery life is expected to be robust, with a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 33W fast charging, allowing for quick recharging. The device is also anticipated to support 5G connectivity, catering to users seeking faster internet speeds. On the software front, the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus is likely to run on Android 16, layered with Infinix's custom XOS 14.5 interface, offering a user-friendly experience with various customization options. As the official launch date approaches, more detailed information will become available, providing a clearer picture of what the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus has to offer.